Y'all best be straightening yourselves up. If we don't look professional, we ain't gonna ace this deal.
Looky there, Leo. Don't that buck think he's a cock of the walk?
We come here to make a hit record, man.
Only hit you're gonna get us upside your head if you don't get your black ass out of here right smart. The next time, colors use the back door, you hear? Jackass. Crazy world, cuz. Got you on the flip side, fellas.
Hey, I'm Ike Turner, and this here's the Kings of the Rhythm. Hottest thing in the Delta.
If you say so. But it's pay to play. Hey, $3.98 buys your studio time, one copy.
Hey man, $3.98? We ain't got that kind of money. We drove all the way from Clarksdale, even borrowed my auntie's car and everything.
I got bills just like you. And like I said, customer's a customer. You don't pay, you don't play.
Oh, I'm gonna play. I'm gonna play, and you gonna love that I did too. I just gotta find me a way, you know.
I'll be here when you do. Ike, aren't you a sight for sore eyes? Hey, look, when a man's wrong, a man's wrong. I was dead wrong. You write the hits. Find another singer, and then we'll make a ton of money together.
That's what I'm here for. The money. Where's my royalties at?
Wait. What do you mean? Your royalties? Jackie's son lead. I paid him the band's share, right?
He didn't pay nobody. That drunk drug up every dime you gave him.
Yeah, I ain't drunk. I can just drink it.
He ain't nothing without me, man. You know it, I know it, and now Mr. Joe Bahari knows it too.
Bahari? What has he got to do with it?
Plenty. I cut B.B. King's 3 Hours of Blues for him, and it's cooking too. See, Mr. Bahari knows what Mr. Ike Turner is all about, baby. I'm a hit-making machine. You should have got me when you had the chance. So what'll it be, fellas? You gonna stay here with a drunk who won't even pay you? Or you gonna leave with me and make some real money? Some real money with Mr. Bahari and B.B. King. Hey, I'm R.B. Scott. I'm from Houston, Texas.